Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a light box or pop-up on Wix. So let's go to the browser and log into your Wix account and open editor page. Then you have to click on this plus icon elements. Now you will find here interactive section. Click on this interactive, this one, and you'll find here pop-ups or light boxes. You can see this. You have to just choose one and click on that. It will be like here. Here the light box, you can see light box. Now click on manage pop-ups. You can manage pop-ups from here. You can just change the text, double click and then click on backspace. It will be removed. Now write your thing here. You can add anything. Right, if you want to change the color, just select the text and you can change the color from here. Like I'm choosing black. Okay, you can change the headings. Sorry, it has gone. I'm just After doing this, you can change this to up to you. Just remove and write your thing here. You can write anything. You can edit from here. Okay, now if you want to set the triggers, you can set triggers from here. Click on set triggers and you can change the name of pop-ups. Name it automatically display pop-ups on pages. Click on yes, and you can change the pop-up scheduling, link pop-up, X icon or the close button. That's up to you. It is already an X button, so this is like this X button. So guys, this is how you can add a light box and pop-up on Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.